Hello students, welcome to online classes of third semester mathematics. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of second order differential equation and getting its numerical solution by using RK method. So here compute y of 0.1 given d square y by dx square is equal to y cube, where y is equal to 10 and dy by dx is equal to 5 at the rate of x is equal to 0 by using RK method of fourth order. So very first what I do, I'll be taking the things from the given data, which is nothing but d square y by dx square is equal to y cube, where y naught is equal to 10 and y dash naught is equal to 5, where x naught is equal to 0. Then what to do? Let us take substitution. Put dy by dx is equal to z. If you substitute this, then what will be its second order? D square y by dx square is equal to dz by dx. Fine. The values will be x naught is equal, y naught is equal to 10 as it is. Then y dash is nothing but z now. So it is z naught. Now it is z naught, which is equal to 5, where x naught is remain as 0. It is the initial value of a variable x. Okay. Then the given differential equation becomes, after this substitution, one substitution I have already taken, that is dy by dx is equal to z, and other substitution is d square y by dx square is equal to dz by dx. If you substitute these results here, then what happens? D square y by dx square is nothing but dz by dx. So it becomes dz by dx is equal to y cube. Fine. Therefore, we can see the results which are available with us now. Second order differential equation is being converted into two sets of first order differential equation. One is dy by dx is equal to z and other one is dz by dx is equal to y cube. Therefore, we will be treating these two equations which are very much essential for us. So we consider these are, let us take dy by dx, which is nothing but z. It will be treated as f of x, y and z as equation number 1. Other equation which is nothing but dz by dx, which is nothing but y cube, it will be treated as g of x, y, z as equation number 2. Fine. Conditions remain same. These are the conditions, and here h is equal to, what is to be calculated? We need to calculate the value of y of 0.1, where x is given 0. So it is h is equal to 0.1. So what to do? We need to compute the results. Here we need to compute K1, K2, K3 and K4 for this. And for second set, we need to compute, for this set what happens? We need to compute L1, L2, L3 and L4. Fine. So to calculate K1, what to do? What is the formula? K1 is equal to h into f of x naught, y naught, z naught. That means h is 0.1, that into f of x naught is 0, y naught is 10, z naught which is 5. So 0.1 into z function, f function is having only z, so it is z naught. Therefore 0.1 into z naught is 5. Therefore the value of K1 is 0.5. 0.5. This is K1. Clear? So this is the result which we have obtained as K1. Similarly, move to L1. How do you get L1 now? L1 is equal to h into g of x naught, y naught, z naught. X naught, y naught, z naught. So it is 0.1 into g of, what is x naught? 0, y naught 10, z naught 5. So it is 0.1 into g function. What is g function? G function is nothing but y cube. So what is y here? 5. 5 the cube. Therefore, calculate what is 5 cube. 5 cube is 5 square is 25. 25 the square. Okay. So 25 into 5, that is 125. Therefore, this result will be just a minute, what we are calculating? We are calculating this result. Sorry, here y is 10, so it is 10 cube. So 10 cube is 10 into 10 into 10, that into 0.1, so it is 100. This is L1. Similarly, L2. What is L2? L2 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2, z naught plus L1 by 2. That is equal to 0.1 into f of x naught is 0, 0 plus h is 0.1, so it is 0.05, comma. Then y naught is 10, 10 plus k1, what is k1? 0.5, 0.5 by 2 is 0.25, so it is 10 plus 0.25 is 10.25. Next, z naught is 5, 5 plus 100 by 2, 50, 50 plus 5, it will be 55. Okay, therefore it is 0.1 into z value, that is 55. Therefore this is equal to 5.5. This is K2. Okay, similarly we'll be taking L2. What is L2 now? This is what we have taken is K2. Now we'll be taking L2. So what is L2 now? H into g of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2, z naught plus L1 by 2. So that is equal to 0.1 into g of same 0.05, 10.25 and 55, which is equal to 0.1 into y cube. What is y? 10.25 the cube. Calculate this. This is equal to 107.7. 107.7. This is L2. Okay. Then K3. H into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2, z naught plus L2 by 2. Therefore it is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h by 2 is 0.05. Then y naught is 10, k2 is 5.5, 5.5 by 2. Then it is 5.75. So it is overall it will 2.75. So it is 12.75. Then z naught is 5. L2 is this much. This divided by 2. Then that is equal to 58.85. So 0.1 into 58.85, which is equal to, this will be equal to 5.885. Similarly, L3 is equal to h into g of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k2 by 2, z naught plus L2 by 2. That is 0.1 into g of 0.05, 12.75, 58.85. So it is 0.1 into y cube. Y is equal to 12.75. So it is 12.75 the cube. So L3 is equal to 207.27. 207.27. This is L3. Similarly, K3. K4, that is h into f of x naught plus h, y naught plus k3, z naught plus L3. So 0.1 into f of x naught is 0, 0 plus h is 0.1, comma, y naught is 10, 10 plus k3 is 10.5, 10 point plus means it is 15 point. So 15.885, comma, z naught is 5 plus this, 5 plus this will be equal to 212.27. Therefore this is 0.1 into 212.27, which is equal to, this will be equal to, calculate this, it is 21.227. 21.227. This is K4. Then similarly, L4, h into g of x naught plus h, y naught plus k3, z naught plus L3. 0.1 into g of 0.1, comma, 15.885, comma, 212.27. That is 0.1 into y cube, that is 15.885 the cube, that is equal to 400.83. 400.83. This is L4. Therefore, the required solution is y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So this is the required formula. So substitute the value in this formula to obtain the required result. Let us see what is that result. Y of x naught is 0 plus 0.1, which is equal to y naught. Y naught is 10 plus 1 divided by 6 into k1. K1 is 0.5 plus 2 into k2. K2 is 5.5 plus 2 into k3, that is 5.885 plus K4 is 21.227. So which is equal to this is equal to y of 0.1 is equal to, let's calculate this overall result. If we calculate this overall result, this will be equal to 17.4162. This is 4162. Similarly, z of x naught plus h is equal to z naught plus 1 by 6 into L1 plus 2L2 plus 2L3 plus L4. Substitute the values in this equation to understand its solution. Therefore, this is equal to z of 0 plus 0.1, which is equal to z naught is 5 plus 1 by 6 times L1 is 100 plus 2 into L2 is 107.7 plus 2 times L3, that is 207.27 plus L4, that is 400.83. Therefore, z of 0.1 is equal to, calculate this result, how much it will be?